A single restricted fuel injector can turn your smooth-running V8 engine into a shaking mess. And if you are seeing the code P02B8, it means the computer has pinpointed a problem exactly on cylinder number 8. This generic technical code tells you that the powertrain control module has detected a possible blockage that is preventing the injector from spraying the precise amount of fuel needed for a perfect combustion cycle. In the United States, our modern engines rely on high-pressure fuel systems and sensors to monitor everything from the crankshaft position to the oxygen levels in the exhaust. And when the computer sees a lean condition on one bank, it uses the timing of the camshaft to figure out which specific cylinder is starving for gas. You will definitely notice that your engine performance has taken a dive, and your fuel efficiency will get much worse as the computer tries to compensate for the lean mix. You might even feel a constant misfire or see other codes for lean exhaust on your scanner, which is a serious warning because running an engine lean can cause extreme heat that melts your cylinder heads or ruins the entire block. The most common causes for this are a fuel injector that is physically clogged with debris or an electrical short in the injector circuit, but it can also be triggered by a bad oxygen sensor or a failure in your mass airflow sensor. To get to the bottom of this, you should start by doing a visual inspection of the fuel rail area near cylinder 8 and look for any signs of leakage or heavy corrosion around the injector body. You can use an automotive stethoscope to listen for a steady clicking sound while the engine is running, which tells you the injector is physically firing, but if the sound is weak or inconsistent, then you know it is restricted. You should also use a digital multimeter to check for battery voltage and a ground pulse at the connector to make sure the computer is actually trying to fire the injector. Always be extremely careful when working around high-pressure fuel components, and if you find a blown fuse, you should test the circuit under a load to make sure it does not just pop again. If the simple cleaning or wiring repairs do not work, you should take your vehicle to a professional shop to have the injector replaced and the system tested for any hidden vacuum leaks. Fixing this restricted injector early will restore your horsepower and protect your engine from the kind of catastrophic damage that ends up in a total engine replacement.